So very good morning to everyone. I hope I am audible.
Yes. Good morning, sir.
Good morning, good morning, good morning. So I hope you all are safe and doing well in your life. So anyhow, so we were discussing this memory banking. So yesterday we discussed about the foundations of memory banking. So uh, anything you would like to ask or say regarding this topic? So just a quick recap what we have discussed yesterday. So we have discussed what is the need of banking, memory banking. So how we planned this memory banking and how we segregated the even bank and the odd bank. So yesterday we stopped here with the screen which we are viewing presently. So we have discovered that there are four possible ways to access the data from the memory. Such four ways are 8-bit data from the lower even address bank, 8-bit data from the higher odd address bank, then 16-bit data starting from the even address, and then 16-bit data starting from the odd address. So we have just a minute. There are people waiting. Let me admit them. So we have discussed all these things, and we stated that there are two types of basically data. One is your aligned data and second one is your non-aligned data. So we discussed that how you can segregate what is your aligned data and what is your non-aligned data. So out of these four possibilities, we have seen that your first three possibilities are of your aligned data, are representing aligned data, and the last one is non-aligned data. So what was the difference between aligned data and non-aligned data? So we have discussed yesterday that aligned data is data which comes in a single cycle. So your 8086 data bus is capable of transferring 16 bit of data. So aligned data is such type of data which is in which the data cycle in a single cycle can fetch or transmit the complete data in a single cycle. So that kind of data was the aligned data, and non-aligned data which requires two cycles to transmit from the memory to the 8086 or in the either way. So there was two types of data, aligned and non-aligned, and we have also discussed that which bit is the most useful bit for segregating this even data and the odd data, and we have discussed how these even register banks and odd register banks are represented in memory. Okay, so let us start from here. So any doubts or any queries up till now? Anything you would like to ask or add?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. तो यहाँ तक की बात मुझे लगता है सबको समझ आ गई. सो अब हमें आगे बढ़ने से पहले ये चीज समझनी है कि आपको आई होप इतना क्लियर हो गया कि जो आपकी A0 बिट है, A0 बिट है, that bit will play a vital role in selecting the register bank, whether you want to select the even register bank or you want to select the odd register bank. अब सिमिलरली जैसा काम A0 का है, सिमिलर टाइप ऑफ वर्क your BHE bar is doing, जिसको आपने बस हाई एनेबल बोला, BHE bar. So BHE bar आप याद करो कहां पर था BHE bar? जब आपने पिन डायग्राम किया था या आपने आर्किटेक्ट किया था, तो वी हैव डिस्कस्ड द BHE bar. तो BHE bar किसके साथ था? इट वाज मल्टीप्लेक्स्ड विद सम पिन. इट वाज मल्टीप्लेक्स्ड विद S7 इफ यू रिमेंबर. हमने डिस्कस किया था ना, A0 से A15 तक किसके साथ मल्टीप्लेक्स था? D0 से D15 तक. फिर उसके बाद क्योंकि जो एड्रेस से आपका वो 20 बिट था, तो A16 से A19 किसके साथ मल्टीप्लेक्स था? दैट वाज फ्रॉम S3 टू S6. देन आपका नो नॉट S7. देन आपका लास्ट वन वाज था BHE bar, दैट वाज मल्टीप्लेक्स्ड विद S7. Okay, So this was how your configuration was there in the pen description. So you will use these two pens now, that is A0 and BHE, to select a particular register bank or to select these four cases कि microprocessor को कैसे हम बताएंगे कि what from where we want to fetch data. We want to fetch only 8-bit lower data, we want to fetch only 8-bit higher data, or we want to fetch complete 16-bit data which is starting from the even address, or we can say we want to fetch the aligned data. All these cases are of the aligned data, or we want to fetch the misaligned data which is starting from the odd address. So the combination of these two pins, that is A0 and BHE bar, will help us to know which register bank we are selecting. So you can simply draw a truth table on your notebooks जिसमें आप BHE bar and A0 दो पेन्स आप यूज कर सकते हो, एंड you can simply write down 00 under BHE bar and 0101 0011 under BHE bar. I'm sorry, and 0101 under A0. Okay, so let us start. So first case is you want to select your 8-bit data from lower even address bank. I hope it is clear ki what is this statement is 8-bit data from lower even address bank. Okay, so if you want to select that, what you will do, obviously आपका A0 पे 0 होना चाहिए. Okay, so in this case to access memory bytes you have आगे बढ़ने से पहले मैं आपको ये बता देता हूँ, जब भी memory banking का question आए, you have to draw all these diagrams and you have to explain all these four cases. So if I talk about the examination pattern, so your answer starts right now. I mean from these two explaining these two things. I mean what is memory addressing, what we have discussed yesterday, because yesterday was the complete foundation. So if you want to attempt the question, you have to start from here, then you have to explain all these things, then you have to tell the examiner these are the four possible cases, and from these then you will draw these four diagrams which will be learning right now, which will be discussing right now. So discussing all these four cases will help you to fetch the good marks in this question. Okay, so just a second, I need to admit few students who are waiting. Okay, so I was discussing the first type. The first type is 8-bit data from the lower or the even address bank. So what happens in this case, I don't think so कि आपको इसको ज्यादा बताने की जरूरत है. You can guess कि हम क्या करना चाह रहे हैं. हम चाह रहे हैं कि आपका जो क्या कहते हैं, it is ये गलत है, यहाँ पर D70 नहीं है, it's D0 to D7 basically. ठीक है, तो don't go with this word D0 to D7. So आप क्या करना चाह रहे हो, आप बेसिकली जो आपका लोअर रजिस्टर बैंक जो आपने कहा इवन रजिस्टर बैंक आपका है, वहां से आप डेटा एक्सेस करना चाह रहे हो, and you want to, let us say, transmit the data. So for that particular case, to access memory bytes from the even address, information is transferred over the lower half of the data bus, obviously, where A0 is the A0 output is low, obviously वो low होगा तभी तो वो register bank select होगा, and BHE output is high, enabling only the even address bank. Why BHE bar? BHE is high क्योंकि BHE is BHE bar basically. So when you will give the high signal to this, so it will be it is active low pin, so it will not work. Okay, so BHE bar, BHE is high, and only then in this case only even bank will be selected. I hope you understood this point. There is no need of getting confused in this manner. आपके पास ये दो रजिस्टर बैंक है, ऑड है, इवन है. ऑड वाला BHE के साथ कनेक्टेड है, इवन वाला A0 के साथ कनेक्टेड है, and you want to select this register bank, and you want to transmit the data which is of 8-bit, which is only of 8-bit data, and that 8-bit data is from the lower side. Okay, so that lower side exists here. So how you will fetch the data from here? You will enable this A0. You will select this A0 because you want to select the event data, and you will give this BHE bar 1, and you will use the lower address lines, lower data lines for transferring this data from memory to the microprocessor or from microprocessor to the memory. Okay, I hope it is clear. Any doubts in this topic?
No, sir.
Okay, fine. So just a second. Okay. So now the second one is your 8-bit 8-bit data from higher odd address bank. Now अब आपको ये नहीं चाहिए, अब आपको ये नहीं चाहिए तो इसका मतलब क्या दोगे आप? A0 पे 1 दोगे. अब आपको ये चाहिए तो इसका मतलब क्या दोगे? BHE बार पे 0 दोगे. तो इसका मतलब क्या होगा? आपका ये वाला रजिस्टर बैंक सेलेक्ट होगा और इस रजिस्टर बैंक से यू कैन फेच डेटा which will use the data lines from D8 to D15. The only reason of saying this thing that is we'll be using this data lines that to represent this thing that your higher order of the data is selected. The only reason of mentioning this thing. Okay. So here to access the memory byte from the odd address is transferred over the higher half of the data bus. The BHE output low enables the upper memory bank, whereas A0 output is the high to disable the lower memory bank. So the arrangement is as you can see. Okay. So always remember to connect this address lines with both of them. Okay, both of the register banks. तो एक तरह से आपका मेमोरी को रिप्रेजेंट कर रहा है. ये ऑड हाफ ऑफ द मेमोरी बैंक है, ये इवन हाफ ऑफ द मेमोरी बैंक है. ओके. सो जिनको भी कल का लेक्चर समझ आया तो उनको आज के टॉपिक में डिफिकल्टी नहीं आ रही होगी. सो इट इज प्योरली कनेक्टेड विद द यस्टरडेज लेक्चर. सो स्टिल इफ यू आर हैविंग एनी क्वेरी यू कैन आस्क मी. ओके. So next is, I hope यहाँ तक खत्म हो गया. तो 8-bit data from lower address bank, then 8-bit data from higher address bank, या even data और odd data हमने 8-bit data अगर हमारे पास है तो this is how we have extracted that our 8-bit data from the lower or from the higher side. You can we have just discussed. Okay. So now next is your अब क्या होना चाहिए? 16-bit data starting from the even address. अब इस केस में क्या होना चाहिए? 16-bit data starting from the even address. Now we are having complete 16-bit data जो मतलब odd register bank से भी है और even register bank से भी है. जैसा कि हमने कल डिस्कस किया था, मतलब जो अब आपका डाटा है वो even और odd दोनों पेजेस पे है. वो even और odd दोनों पेजेस पे है, पर वो आएगा कैसे? एक ही साइकिल में आएगा. There is no need to use 2 cycles because it is aligned data. For that particular case, what you will do, your A0 is 0, your BHE bar 0, obviously. So your both register bank will be selected. ठीक है. So जो lower address है, let us say मान लेते हैं वो अगर आपका x+2 है तो upper address क्या होगा? x+3. या simply अगर मैं कहूँ lower register bank में जो address है वो 0 है तो higher register bank में क्या होगा? 1. lower में 20 है तो higher में 21 होगा. लोअर में 101 है तो हायर में लोअर में 100 है तो हायर में 101 होगा. लोअर में लेट अस से कोई एनी इवन नंबर, लोअर में 350 है तो हायर में 351 होगा. सो दिस इज हाउ हियर वी हैव एक्सट्रैक्टेड योर 16-bit डेटा फ्रॉम एन इवन एड्रेस. ठीक है. सो यू विल प्रोवाइड ओनली इवन एड्रेस एंड यू विल फेच द डेटा फ्रॉम द इवन मेमोरी बैंक एंड एज वेल एज फ्रॉम द ऑड मेमोरी बैंक in a single cycle operation. So there is no need to extract separately from the even bank and separately from the odd bank. I hope it is. So these 3 cases are clear to you. Any
Yes,
doubts up till now? Thank you. So the last case is which is of misaligned data या non-aligned data, जिसमें अब आपका डेटा कहां पर है? जिसमें अब आपका स्टार्टिंग एड्रेस जो है आपने डेटा जो दिया, लेट अस से जो एड्रेस से स्टार्टिंग एड्रेस किया वो ऑड बैंक का गया. मतलब वो क्या कहना चाह रहा है कि अब जो डेटा है वो ऑड बैंक में लेट अस से कि लोअर डेटा है और इवन बैंक में लेट अस से हायर डेटा है. दैट मींस डेटा इज मिसअलाइंड. ओके. सो हाउ टू फेच दैट डेटा? So for that data, you will be using 2 cycles. Okay. So as you can see, we have separately drawn 2 diagrams. So first diagram is representing where you have extracted data from the odd bank. Okay. And from odd bank, what you have extracted, you have extracted the data which is at the, let us say, lower address 005, as you can see. And then from the even address you have selected the data from the even address. So it is the case which we have discussed yesterday. It is the case your page numbers are not like 0 and 1. It is 1 and 2. So to view page number 1, you can view in a single cycle, but to view page number 2 you have to flip your page. तो similar case occurs. ऐसा क्यों हुआ था? ये तो मैंने पेज का एग्जांपल दिया, but if you remember the yesterday's lecture, ऐसा क्यों हुआ था? What was the case? Why we cannot fetch this 16-bit data which is starting from odd bus? And obviously it was a consecutive location, but why we cannot fetch this 16-bit data which is starting from odd address? Why? Who will tell me? Yesterday I told you. Who will tell me? Anyone from your side? Harshul, Yash, Prashant? I really need answer from your side. Who will tell me why we cannot fetch this 16-bit data which is starting from odd address in a single cycle? Yes, I need to ask few names, then you will tell me, or you will voluntarily volunteer yourself to answer this question.
क्योंकि जो कंसेक्यूटिव होंगे सर, वो जैसे कि 1 से अगर 2 डेटा ले रहे हैं तो कंसेक्यूटिव में अगर 2 से 3 ले लेंगे तो फिर 2 जो है सर वो 2 बार डेटा आ जाएगा उसके अंदर, तो ये इसमें प्रॉब्लम भी क्रिएट करेगा।
नहीं, ये चीज नहीं थी प्रशांत. यू ट्राइड वेल, बट ये नहीं था. यू ट्राइड वेल, थैंक यू, बट ये नहीं था. एनीवन एल्स? आदित्य प्रताप सिंह, अजय कुमार, if you can answer. Akshita, Akhilesh, Anshul, if you can answer. Anshul Kumar, Anuj Sasdeva, Anushka Goyal, Alka, Arpit, anyone? चलो, anyhow, कोई बात नहीं. देखो, याद करो, मैंने कल आपको बताया था कि एक तो मैंने आपको ये पेज वाला एग्जांपल देके समझाया था कि दिस इज द जेनरिक एग्जांपल. आई टोल्ड यू यस्टरडे कि आपका जब व्हेन यू आर चेंजिंग योर एड्रेस, मतलब आपका अगर स्टार्टिंग एड्रेस इवन है, तो जब इवन से आपका कंसेक्यूटिव एड्रेस ऑड है, मतलब आपका लोअर एड्रेस इवन है और कंसेक्यूटिव हायर एड्रेस क्या है? ऑड है. उस केस में कोई प्रॉब्लम नहीं है. उसका एग्जांपल मैंने आपको दिया था, जनरल एग्जांपल. देखो कि बुक अगर आप खोलते हो तो इवन और ऑड पेज सामने दिखते हैं. तो लोअर पेज कौन सा होता है? इवन. हायर पेज कौन सा होता है? 1. जैसे हमने कहा था 10 और 11, पेज नंबर 12 और 13, पेज नंबर लेट अस से 18 और 19. ठीक है. तो दिस इज हाउ योर मेमोरी वाज ऑर्गेनाइज्ड. उसको फिर मैंने टेक्निकली आपको समझाने के लिए आपको एड्रेसेस लिख के दिखाए थे A0 से A19 तक. तो मैंने आपको दिखाया कि जब हम इवन एड्रेस से ऑड एड्रेस पे जा रहे हैं तो हमारा एक ही बिट चेंज हो रहा है. वो कौन सा था? A0. दैट्स व्हाई अगर हम A0 को सेपरेट आउट कर लें तो हमारा पूरा का पूरा लेटर से A1 से लेकर A19 तक पूरा का पूरा जो एड्रेस था वो सेम था, चेंज नहीं हो रहा था. इफ योर lower address is even and consecutive, I'm using word consecutive addresses odd, then only bit which was changing was A0. So we have separated that A0. Now in the case when your lower address is odd and higher address is even, this is the case ना, जो हम कह रहे हैं कि 16-bit data, अब हमारे पास 16-bit data which is starting from odd address. So we are using microprocessor 8086 with its full capacity. Full capacity means data bus is capable of transferring data of 16-bit, and we want to transfer data of 16-bit, but here starting address is from the odd location. Now what is happening in the odd location when your starting address is odd location and your higher address is of even location? So book के केस में क्या होता था? आपको पेज पलटना पड़ता था. यहाँ पर भी वही बात है कि जब आप लोअर एड्रेस आपका ऑड है, हायर एड्रेस इवन है, तो आपका सिर्फ A0 बिट चेंज नहीं हो रहा था, बहुत सारे बिट और भी थे जो चेंज हो रहे थे. So that's why it was not feasible to fetch that particular data from a single in a single cycle. So you need 2 cycles, जिसमें आपने सबसे पहले क्या किया? आपने यहाँ पर देख सकते हो आपने सबसे पहले ऑड मेमोरी बैंक से फेच किया, एड्रेस भेजा, ऑड मेमोरी बैंक से वो पर्टिकुलर डेटा फेच किया. फिर उसके बाद क्या किया आपने? सब्सीक्वेंट हायर सब्सिक्वेंट या कंसेक्यूटिव हायर क्या है, 5 के बाद क्या आएगा 6। तो सेकंड साइकिल में, आई एम यूजिंग द वर्ड सेकंड साइकिल में, आपने हायर डेटा फेच किया फ्रॉम दिस इवन बैंक. I hope it is clear now. So here we have used 16-bit word located at odd address. Obviously the locations are consecutive. 2 consecutive bytes with the least significant byte at odd byte address. So this is the case. So in this case it is accessed using 2 bus cycles. We discussed this thing yesterday. So today what we are discussing is just the summary, just the recap, all those 4 cases. So for first bus cycle, the lower byte will be accessed and arrangement in odd address as 005 is shown in figure. And in the second cycle, your 006 memory location is accessed and data from this location is fetched. I hope it is clear. Any doubts in these 4 cases? Any doubts?
No, sir.
I need answer from maximum of you. Yes or no. You write Y or N in the chat box. Okay, thank you. So, so this was your memory banking, a complete question, which generally comes in 15-20 marks in maximum exams. University exam में भी आता है, and further if you are planning for the GATE, तो ये क्वेश्चन बहुत आता है. बच्चे जो स्किप करते हैं, खासकर वो आपको 2 केसेस दे देगा. 16-bit एड्रेस का केस दे देगा, which is from 16-bit डेटा दे देगा, which is and उसका एड्रेस दे देगा जो आपका इवन से स्टार्ट हो रहा होगा, और इसी तरह से 16-bit डेटा दे देगा जिसका एड्रेस ऑड से स्टार्ट हो रहा होगा. और वो कई तरह के क्वेश्चन उसमें से बन जाते हैं. वो पूछ सकता है कि इसमें से कौन सा डेटा जल्दी फेच होगा, कौन सा डेटा लेट फेच होगा, किस डेटा में कितने साइकिल लगेंगे, कितने बस साइकिल लगेंगे, या लेट अस से कि which is the aligned data or which is misaligned data. So this is how your gate marks, gate examinations ask the questions in this topic. Okay, so I hope it is clear. So we are done with this topic, that is memory banking. Okay, so our next topic for the unit from the unit 2 is, that is your types of memories. So we'll be discussing this types of memories in the next lecture. So I hope it is क्योंकि आगे शुरू करेंगे तो खत्म नहीं होगा. Just a quick मैं आपको introduction दे देता हूँ types of memories. So what is this types of memories? As you already know, there are basically 2 types of memories. One is RAM, one is ROM. So RAM is you all are aware, it's random access memory, and ROM is its read-only memory. So we'll be discussing these types. RAM के कितने type हैं, ROM के कितने type हैं in the next lecture, and in और उससे आगे फिर हम पढ़ेंगे interfacing of memories. So interfacing of memories. So most probably by the end of this weekend, अगर हमें 2 lecture मिल जाते हैं, so your this unit 2 will be over. Okay. So we have discussed this unit 2 में हमने main memory system designing. Then we have discussed this 8086 read and write timing diagrams in minimum and the maximum mode. And today we have discussed this memory banking or address decoding techniques. So next topic